Hi friends, in this video we will discuss about charge transfer spectra. It is maybe regarded as an internal redox process. This charge transfer spectra may be classified into four types, that is ligand to metal charge transfer, metal to ligand charge transfer, metal to metal charge transfer, that is a intermetal charge transfer, and ligand to ligand charge transfer. And we know the ligands can be classified into three types, that is sigma donor ligands. It contains only one lone pair of electron, for example carbonyl, cyanide, pyridine, bipyridine, 110 phenanthroline, etc. And pi accepting ligand, for example ammonia, hydrido, and methyl. Third one is a sigma donor as well as pi donor ligands. For example F minus, Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, OH minus, etc. Now discuss about ligand to metal charge transfer. Here d orbital is a vacant, therefore it is a LUMO. LUMO is nothing but lowest unoccupied molecular orbital, and p orbitals is a highest occupied molecular orbital, that is a filled orbitals. Here electrons jump from p orbital to d orbitals, therefore ligand undergoing oxidation and metal undergoing reduction. Actually the DD transition differs from charge transfer spectra. DD spectra arises due to transition of electron between d orbitals, but charge transfer spectra due to transfer of charge from one species to another. And DD observed at low frequency region, that is a low intensity region, but in the charge transfer observed at higher frequency region. DD spectra has low molar excitation coefficient value, that is epsilon value less than 100 units, but charge transfer has high molar extension coefficient range 500 to 2000, and low intensity band for DD transition but high intensity band for charge transfer spectra. 3D metal ions more favorable for DD spectra. In the case of charged spectra is a 4D and 5D metal ions. Similarly, the unpaired electrons containing metal ion shows a DD spectra, but completely filled or vacant d orbitals shows charge transfer spectra, that is d0 and d10 configuration. In ligand to metal charge transfer, metal is a high oxidation state and ligand is a lone pair of electron. For example O2 minus, Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, etc. And KMnO4 is Mn7 plus configuration, that is a D0 electronic configuration. It is a tetrahedral complex. 4 transition has been observed, purple in color. And CrO4 minus, that is a potassium chromate complex. Here chromium exhibit 6 plus state, is orange in color, and copper complex Cl4 minus is a dark blue in color. We know electronegativity is inversely proportional to intensity. Therefore, I minus greater than that of Br minus than that of Cl minus and F minus intensity. Therefore, Br minus easily transfer electron from ligand to metal easily than Cl minus. Lead iodide is a yellow color, mercury iodide red, and bismuth iodide is a orange red. The pigments in which color produce in ligand to metal charge transfer. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் எக்ஸாம்பிள் கேட்பான் சரியா ஏற்கனவே கேட்டிருக்கான் 2017 பேஜில் இது கேட்டிருக்கான். therefore cadmium sulfide is a cadmium yellow, mercury sulfide is a vermilion, lead complex is a Naples yellow, lead oxide is a mesicote, and lead chromate is a chrome yellow. ஞாபகம் வச்சுங்க. The trend in ligand to metal charge transfer energy is oxidation number plus 5. The vanadium is less than that of niobium oxide and tantalum oxide. அதேபோல் plus 6 state பார்த்தீங்கன்னா chromium oxide is less than that of molybdenum and tungsten. plus 7 state பார்த்தீங்கன்னா manganese oxide is less than that of technetium and rhenium. இது அப்படியே கேட்டிருந்தா 2019 பேஜில். ஸோ கேர்ஃபுல்லாக இது ஞாபகம் வச்சுங்க, இங்கேருந்து கொஷின்ஸ் கேட்பான் ஓகேங்களா. அண்ட் வேவ் நம்பர் must be equal to modulus S x ligand minus x metal into nu bar. The nu naught bar under the constant value, that is 3 into 10 power 4 per centimeter. Then next one is metal to ligand charge transfer. இப்போ மெட்டல்லேருந்து லிகாண்டுக்கு வந்து சார்ஜ் வந்து ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஆகுது, அவ்வளோதான். இந்த டாப்பிக்கில் நமக்கு வந்து டெஃபினேஷன் கிடச்சாச்சு. அப்போ மெட்டல் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஃபில்டு டி ஆர்பிட்டால்ஸ், லிகாண்ட் வந்து வேக்கண்ட்டு பி ஆர்பிட்டால்ஸ், இப்படி தான் இருக்கணும். தேர்ஃபோர் மெட்டல் அண்டர்கோ ஆக்சிடேஷன், லிகாண்ட் அண்டர்கோயிங் ரிடக்ஷன். ஸோ இந்த கேஸை பொறுத்தவரையிலையும் மெட்டல் with low oxidation state and ligand that have the low pi antibonding orbitals, that is like carbonyl Cn minus, thiocyanide, bipyridine etc. The range பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது ஞாபகம் வச்சுங்க, இதுவும் கேட்கலாம். Cn minus is greater than En, greater than ammonia and greater than carbonyl.